The next step in the scientific thinking process will be conducting the experiment. An experiment is formed by the hypothesis, which is a proposed explanation. In contrast, which many people get confused with, would be the term theory. The difference with a theory is that theories are supported by data that has been collected by verifiable observations. Before you actually begin your experiment that you have created, you must first devise a testable prediction. A well thought out and good hypothesis will aid in making great predictions about a situation and help gain knowledge about future situations as well. When devising a testable prediction, the main goal is to have a specific outcome if your hypothesis is true or not true. Once you have a testable prediction, you can be sure that you have the 4 elements that make up the experiment. These 4 important elements are for the planning process of the experiment and help make the cause and effect more clearly, which will also help you determine whether your hypothesis is true. The first element is treatment, which consists of any conditions applied to your research subjects, for example, something that is staged or altered before you begin. Element 2 is the experimental group, which is the group of subjects you have chosen that is exposed to a specific treatment, also known as the treatment group. For example, one person receives a vaccine and another group receives a placebo. The third element is the control group. The control group is a group of subjects who are treated the same as the experimental group, but who are not exposed to the treatment, which would be the placebo. The fourth and final element is the variables. These are characteristics that can change at any moment in time. However, in most cases, when controlling the variables, you are trying to decrease the difference between the control group and the experimental group. That way, any changes that do occur are from the treatment itself. Once these 4 elements are present and set, you can conduct a critical experiment to determine whether a hypothesis is correct or incorrect. Whether correct or incorrect, it is always important that you have substantial evidence to prove that certain outcome.